Today I wanted to give you a quick little tip or a hack on kill switches on these various pieces of lawn equipment. But before I do that, I just wanted to say that my little YouTube channel has been pretty much just to document things for me, really not much more than home movies. What has surprised me is the analytics that YouTube has come up with. You know, no more videos than I've done, and I haven't really pushed it. Most all of my videos have been done with a iPhone, and you know they're primitive to say the least. But these videos have been seen in 21 different countries, which just blows my mind. Obviously, the United States is the biggest group of watchers, but some of the things that surprised me was Iraq was number 2, primarily Baghdad, and the only thing I can figure is maybe we still have military personnel there or contractors that watch some of these silly little videos I do of camping, fishing, firearms, you name it. I've done a little bit of everything, and they're all spontaneous, just kind of what hits me at the moment. Got quite a few views that again blows my mind, but one of the analytics indicates that very few people that watch the videos actually subscribe. You know, if you want to help out, I'm curious now. The subscribers have gone up quite a bit, so I'm real curious now as to how many I might be able to pick up. So if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe. As everyone begs on YouTube, you know, like and subscribe. Click that like button. You know, I plan to do a few more videos this spring and summer, maybe cover some different topics if I can get a little more interest. But anyway, I do appreciate it, and so let me get into this video. So this is a Ryobi leaf blower. I've had it for years and years, and you know, one of the things on it that seemed to quit working was the kill switch. It's just a little rocker kill switch, and what I ended up doing for the last probably 3 years is I would just choke it to kill it when I got finished. There was a guy over here yesterday. We had, you can see that everything's wet and there's lots of leaves out there, but everything was dry yesterday, and I got out here and was blowing some leaves, and a guy came by and we were just talking as I was doing it and finished up. He saw how I killed it, and he was like, "I can fix that for you, I bet." And I'm like, "Really?" Because I had looked at it, and apparently to replace this switch, you have to go through all this housing, take this apart, get in there to the handle, and you know, if you spend $10, $12, $14 for a switch, take it all apart, you know, you even have to pay shipping, tax, so now you're probably 20 bucks or better. You know, before I'd put money into something as old as this, I'd probably just buy another one. But it wasn't bad enough to replace it yet. I could still make it work. But this particular switch, apparently, there's little contacts in there, and over time, the dirt, the grime, probably a little sweat, oil residue from a 2-cycle engine, just anything builds that up, and the contacts no longer kill it. So here's what he told me to do. He said, take carburetor cleaner. Just your, you know, average, most everybody will probably have some in the garage. But take your carburetor cleaner and spray all around this little rocker switch. And when you do, just tap it. Spray it some more all around the cracks of it. Tap it some more. And that'll free that up and clean those contacts And believe it or not, something as simple as that worked. I now have a kill switch again that functions like it should. And that kill switch, whether it's on a Ryobi or steel or whatever, it's fairly common. They're even on, the string trimmers that's sold at Walmart. We always called them weed eaters, but they're various brands of string trimmers now. And, a lot of them have that little rocker kill switch. And, I just thought that was really a neat little hack. I would have never dreamed of putting carburetor cleaner on, a kill switch. But it certainly worked. And when I asked him where he discovered that or who told him, he said he saw it on YouTube. Well, I've been on YouTube quite a bit, and I haven't seen it. But maybe I haven't looked in the right places. But anyway, if you have a piece of lawn equipment that the kill switch no longer works, you might want to try it. Apparently, 75-80% of the time, this will resolve it, which is a whole lot better than taking all of that off and apart and trying to replace and put it back in. So, hope that little hack helps you out.